Yo, what is up, junkies? Welcome back to the channel. Just want to make a huge shout out to all the new subscribers. We hit 200 and it's awesome. If you guys have not yet, please go hit that subscribe button, smash that like, and let's get started with this video. So pretty much update on the NC. It's going to be a little bit more time, guys. We found an issue with the transmission. I guess Walter kind of had the screws a little too tight. I actually already contacted him to get reimbursed. He's really nice about it. You know, they're super packed and busy, so I mean, can't get mad, but it just kind of delays the whole process of getting the Miata done. We're gonna be working on the daily driver once again. It's gonna be episode 2. We got some pretty neat carbon fiber parts again for it, and I need to run to the hardware store, pick up some stuff, and then we'll get this video started, guys. Alright guys, back home, got the car jacked up. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So we got this SCARIEST carbon fiber, this SCARIEST style actually, and I got them off eBay for a pretty good price, so I was like, why not? It is real carbon fiber. I actually haven't read up a lot about these, but they look freaking cool. So I'm probably gonna have to recoat them as well, just like I did with the other ones, but I'm probably gonna do a quicker coat on this one because I kind of just want to get it on. So we're just gonna remove these spats first. Shouldn't be too hard, and then we're gonna test fit them, and if I need to cut or anything or modify, I will do accordingly. So I'm having a kind of trouble taking the hardware off, so I'm just gonna cut it. Alright guys, so as you can see, cutting the bumper did not work, and the fitment isn't how I like it, so I'm gonna just have to pass on this project for now and look for a JDM bumper because I really want it like perfectly fit. And I thought I could do it with this, but because of the curvature, it just kind of has this weird inward tilt that I'm not a fan of. The OEM one has more of an outward tilt, or just kind of more aligned with the body. And then my little brother here just got a new whip, 350. So I guess after he's done taking these stickers off, we're gonna go for a little ripperoonie in the hills, and I'll teach him a thing or two about driving. Is that right, Dave? God, dude, this thing is so loud, guys. I kind of want a 350 now, to be honest. This is the HR model, so the exhaust note is actually supposedly better because something about the exhaust turbine, it has, this model opens up a lot more, so it has this more higher pitch kind of sound. But dude, it sounds nice, not gonna lie. I mean, let's see, let's clear a road here, guys. We'll give a little ripperoonie. Take pictures. Huh? Take pictures of it right now of your car. Okay, so that's good.
You hear the front?
What?
No, there's a fat rattle, dude.
You coming through? Been we're trying to look at where the accident is. We took some photos and he just went on a spin. David, do you know where you spun? Ciao. That's the car now. Do you know where you spun out at, David?
Huh?
You know where you spun out at? We're trying to trace back where he spun out at. I think you just didn't counter. Yeah, it starts.
There's no shadow, right?
Huh?
That's a skid mark?
No, you didn't skid, bro. I think you just.
No, look. Is that a shadow or a skid mark?
Where?
Shadow, right? Go all the way down the street.
Oh, it is a skid mark. Is that your car? Did you skid all the way down here?
This would have been the front tires if I did.
But then your rear kicked out.
Huh?
But your rear kicked
Yeah,
out.
look. The front tires would have been right here. I was looking straight down.
Oh my god.
And look, what I think happened was it caught, like, traction and launched it straight in.
Yeah, I guess his rear spun out. At least they can hook it.
Yeah.
And the car turns on.
We don't know what's wrong with, right?
No.
Let's just be hopeful.
Sucks.
Dude, it's so crazy because that's literally the
I
best
know.
spot you could have hit.
If you
Dude,
fell
if
down
you were
anywhere
just
over
right
here,
here,
you wouldn't hurt. You would have got hurt.
Yeah, you would have.
No, if you hit there, you might have died.
No.
Yeah.
Earlier, you could have actually flipped.
Yeah.
Would have been bad.
No, but even if you just went head first there, that's
So you're really lucky. I'm not sure. Yeah, Dave, you can't, pretty sure you can't salvage this. It's fucked. So, it's fucked. I'm wondering if the tires are bald or something. These tires are brand new.
I must have learned. Wait till it's insured and then take it out on a photo shoot. Because, damn.
Yeah, I'm glad that it was actually easy to take out. Holy shit.
I wonder how much is in charge of us.
I don't think that much. It was actually quite easy to take out.
I'm surprised it started.
Yeah, but it won't start anymore because the radiator's,
Really?
or the radiator's leaking. You're You just picked this up yesterday, dude. This sucks. What up, guys? Welcome back. It's now the next day, and I just went to go check up on my little brother. He's doing fine, and it's just really scary, dude. Like, that was like one of the most like scariest moments of my life. Like, just seeing the car and then just not seeing him, like, you know, like driving back and thinking that like there was a possibility. I was really not like thinking that, you know. But you know, I'm glad he's okay, and you know, this is just a quick shout out to everyone out there, you know, driving. Just be safe, guys. You know, make sure you guys know how to drive your car, and you know, just be careful out there, because today was a real lucky day for my brother, and I'm glad that he's alive today. And yeah, just not much I can really, just still kind of in shock. But anyways, we kind of went to go do a shoot, and we did a kind of like a little video. So I'm just gonna post up the video of our cinematic, at least of his car. So, you know, hope you guys enjoy, and make sure you guys, if you guys haven't yet, please hit that subscribe, smash that like, and stay chasing. Peace.